Hello everyone. Did you see the reels and short videos in Facebook, YouTube? These goes viral. There are some short videos on motivation. There are some short videos about successful in lives with some images and some speech, just like this.
To realize this. 1. Stay silent. Not everything needs to be said. 2. Silence is better than unnecessary drama. 3. If you find someone smarter than you, work with them, don't compete.
And this type of videos actually goes viral and it gets lots of views. Now if you want to try something like this, you want to grow a Facebook page and you want to share some motivation speech around the world, here how you can do this. So let's move to the screen and let's see how we can make this type of video very easily with voiceover. And also I will show how you can generate the images which are completely free. So let's dive into the video. So this video will contain 6 parts. First, we will generate the content. Then we will make the voiceover. After that, we will gather the images for our videos. Then we will go for video creation. After video creation is done, we will go for subtitle creation. And lastly, we will remove the watermark from the video. So let's get with the first part, that is generate the contents. So to generate the content, we will take the help of ChatGPT. So go to chatgpt.openai. If you don't have any account, create an account here. It's completely free. And then here you have to give the prompt. So let's give the prompt for our video. So I'm giving a prompt of this one, write 3 points of motivation to pursue your dreams, and then hit this button to generate the content. It has generated the content. So here is our content. Okay, so we get 3 points to create our video. Now from this 3 point, we will now create the voiceover. So to create our voiceover, we will come to this link, freetools.textmagic.com, and this is completely free. So here you can actually get the voiceover of your text. Now we have got this one, so let's just copy this one. So I will copy up to this, and then you can just paste it here. And I will set it as a point number 1. And now I will select. So here you can see there are lots of voice. So you can go and check the voice of your need. I will randomly take this one, and then you need to hit this I am not a robot, and you can listen to the voiceover by playing the play button.
Certainly, pursuing your dreams requires motivation.
So we get the voiceover. Now what you need? We need download. So click on the download MP3 and your MP3 has been downloaded. So our this part is done. Next, we will generate the image. So to generate the image, we will use Lexia.art. So this is the link for image generation. And now we will generate the image by part. So here you can see pursuing your dreams requires motivation and determination. Okay, so let's copy this one and let's paste it here and search for the image. So you will get a related image for your video. So let's say I will randomly pick some. So here you can actually go with some prompt and you can search for the best one that you can use. So I'm using this one, and then let's go for another one, that is fulfillment of passion. There are so many unique photos that you will get. So I'm randomly selecting some of the photo that I will use. So here we can get the images for our videos. Just you can just take some of the content from the video, and then you can just paste it here and search for that one. So you can go step by step, taking each of the text, and you can search for the images and gather the images. So we have gathered the images, and now we will go for the fourth part, that is, and we will use CapCut for our video editing. So go to CapCut, and if you don't have any CapCut account, create a CapCut account with your email ID or anything. And after creating your account, you will find the dashboard like this. Go to create new, and we will create a big, like as it is a reel, we will go for 9:16. So click on 9:16, and we will get our creator board. Here, what you need to do, you need to just add the images. So we will add the images first. So you can here upload the image and as well as your MP3 file. So let's upload the images, all of them. All right, so after uploading the image, so next you can just take the voiceover and put it right below. And here you can see we have the voiceover. Now you can just listen the voiceover and one by one take the images based on that voiceover to match the voiceover, and you can just drag a little bit small and big when it will start, or where from where the another image will come up. So you can do it like this. So I am adding randomly one by one just for the time being. So I am matching with this one, and now you can actually see
Certainly.
we have the video ready. And after it's done, we will just export the video. So click on export, and we will export it in 1080p or 720p. So 720p is okay. So click on export, and the video will be exported. And after it's been exported, click here to download, and your video has been downloaded. Now you can check your video from here.
Certainly, pursuing your dreams requires motivation and determination.
So
Here are
is our
3 points of motivation to help you stay focused on your aspirations. Dreams allows you to
So we generated our video. Now we will add the, so to create the subtitle, we will go to bit.io. If you don't have any account here, just get an account. It's completely free, so you can just log in to this account, and this is the dashboard where it will bring. And then click here, create project, and we will create a project for the subtitle. And here this will pop up. Now upload your file here. So I'm uploading my video file here that I exported from CapCut, and this video file has been imported here. And after it is imported, now go to subtitle and click on auto generate subtitle, and this will automatically generate the subtitle in the video. Now click on create subtitle, and now it is generating the subtitles for us. So it will take some time to generate the subtitles, and our subtitle has been generated. Now if you can just
pursuing your dreams
require, there is the subtitle in our video. Now when it's done, just click on done and then export the video. So click on export video. You can see there is a watermark in our video, and we will also remove that one. So here our video has been exported. Now click here download, and then go for MP4 download, and our download has been started. And here you can see now it is downloading. Now the sixth part. Now to remove the watermark from our video, we will go to this link and then click on open file, and then we will select the file of our video that we have exported from the bit.io, and here you can see we have the file. Now here you can just remove the watermark, just select this portion and then click on remove logo, and after this click on save, and now it will remove the watermark from the video. So we have to wait for some time. So our watermark has been removed. Now click on save, and the video is now downloading.
Certainly, pursuing your dreams requires motivation and determination. Here are 3 points of motivation to help you stay focused on your aspirations. 1. Fulfillment and passion. Pursuing your dreams allows you to engage in something you're truly passionate about. When you follow your heart and work towards something that excites you, every step you take becomes a meaningful.
Now here you can see we have no watermark for this video, and we have created our own reel, and now you can share these reels in your Facebook, Instagram, or in YouTube, and these reels are really goes viral. So just check it out by yourself. Hope you find this video interesting, right? And by this way, you can create your own reels with some motivation speech and share to your Facebook group and Facebook pages and see how it goes viral. So to see more videos like this, do subscribe the channel and be with this channel. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.